everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now I'm going to be creating a table for two in Chinoiserie Chic. So in this video today, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now, as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Remember that every time you click the like button and full watch a video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, let's talk about the table a little bit. So the placemats came from an Asian store down the street from where I live. The chargers came from the Dollar Tree, and the chinoiserie plates, they came from the Salvation Army, along with those wine glasses. Now the swag in the back was a DIY, and then of course I put that floral arrangement in the back of the table there in a cylinder vase that came from the Dollar Tree. Now the napkins and the napkin holders, those came from Home Goods. Now the water glasses, those were thrifted from the Goodwill. The flatware, that came from Aldi's. What a great buy that is. Okay, so the candle is lit. Let's head on over to the reveal. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.